aboard Miss Rabbit's train and carriage, having fun on the outdoor swing playset and setting sail on the sea with Peppa Pig's pirate ship. Once you've done that, you can get comfy on the couch and watch your very own Peppa Pig DVD. That's right, this month, just for you early birders, we have 4 of these awesome Peppa Pig packs to give away. To be in the draw, we want you to draw your favourite animal. Remember to give it a name. Once you're finished creating, write on the back your name, age, address and phone number and send it to PO Box 68961 Newton, Auckland 1145, or you can email it to us at stickytv@pickledpossum.co.nz. We will be drawing 4 winners. Could one of them be you? Get your entries in by the end of the month.